Oh, well, here we are. We're back working on the Allen Bradley Ultra 3000s with the Fanuc Redtops. You know, I'm not sure I could have done this without doing YouTube. I've learned so much from everybody. Secret to this is get the motors disconnected from the machine. Once you've got them configured, do the auto tune in the Allen Bradley Ultra 3000. Once you've got them tuned, leave them to that drive, then put them back in the machine. If you try and set them up in the machine, you're going to get it. There's going to be issues. It won't work. At least X and Y didn't. Z did. But I've got everything working right now. I'm going to clean this mess out before I put it back together tomorrow afternoon. But everything seems to be working okay. This motor here is a little bit louder than the others. I'm a little concerned because there's more weight on this axis than there is on the X. But we'll see how it turns out. Got a lot of work to do still, but I'm happy. Everything seems to be going okay. Got a lot of tuning. I've got the control box out here I've got to redo, put a computer out here. I'll take you around back of the machine and show you what I got going on right now. I have got a mess for sure. Oh my goodness. I have got a mess. Kind of excited about getting to the next phase. Excuse me for a second. I'm going to move you to the back. You have to overlook the mess I got back here. I've got a real small space. This machine's up against the door in my shop. I'm running the Centroid Acorn controller back here. If you look up, you can see where I'm running the little Centroid Acorn. X, Y, and Z. I got step and pulse going into these Allen Bradley Ultra 3000s. Then I'm going to use the 0 to 20 over here to the servo drive. A lot of really cool, pleasant surprises. This servo drive is three-phase. I've got it is an Allen Bradley Ultra 3000. I believe it's a 100. If memory serves me correctly. Got that Giddings and Lewis. I'm going to use that's a 30. I'm going to use it on this Z-axis. And got a lot more work to do. Just starting to get things. I got to mount the power supply, the relay control board. I had to stop because I was using those inserts. They're kind of like they're like rivet inserts. Those were 832s, and I'm on my third rivet gun from Harbor Freight, so I just went ahead and ordered a new one online. This metal on this cabinet was thick enough. I started just drilling it and tapping it, but I'm not sure what kind of vibration I'm going to get back here, so that's where I'm at with that. It's a mess back here, but it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm really hoping to have X and Y and maybe Z. Now that I've got them working, I'm going to tune my X axes next. I got some connectors ordered for the Giddings and Lewis because it doesn't use the same, like the CN1 and CN2 connectors are completely different on that Giddings and Lewis. Even though the drive's the same and I can talk to it and stuff, all of the connectors for CN1, CN2 are different. So I got a couple of those on the way. They weren't too awful bad on eBay, but got a lot more work to do. I did find a pleasant surprise on this machine when I took it apart to start prepping it. That it had this is like a 1990. What I thought was cool. Sorry for moving around on a camera. Is I have a through-hole spindle coolant right there, right in the center. I don't know if you can see it or not. So that was pretty cool. Kind of excited to get that hooked up. It was disconnected when I got it. Look, the hose going to it was broken. Looked like somebody had just terminated it. But anyways, that's where we're at. That's our update. Give you a heads up. I have done the research on this, and I'm about 90% sure on this right here, I'm going to put a LCD screen. It won't be touch, but I'm going to be able to reuse a lot of these controls. Probably going to wind up having to use a PIC processor or something like that to get the data back to the Centroid Acorn, but I'm pretty excited. Some of the stuff, obviously, I won't be able to reuse. It doesn't really have any application But other than that, pretty excited. Looking forward to get it working. My only concern is if anybody's done anything like this, my only concern and the only thing I've never done, I don't think you can see it, is the tool changer. That's going to be new for me. Out of all the machines I've done, I've not done a tool changer upgrade. So that's my only worry at this point. I know that's got to be perfect. You're going to destroy something. And I've got some other stuff, some other encoders on the spindle too. Besides the regular, the servo drive encoder, there's another one for. I'm going to have to do some research up here because I'm not 100% sure what that one's for. It may be for rigid tapping. I'm not 100% sure. I know there's a brake up there. I'm going to have to hook that in. The brake's actually in the back of the machine. I'm going to have to wire that in, so that's pretty cool. But looking forward to it. This is just a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing this. This is my stress relief. I have to get back to regular life on Monday, but this is what I do on the weekends. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, you think you can make some suggestions, I really appreciate it. Without you guys, I probably would not be where I'm at as quick as I've got here. Thanks to everybody, Simon and everybody that's helped me. Really appreciate it.